Euro against US dollar. This week started to rise in value. We can see this bullish candle on a Monday reaching a resistance 1.17589 and then forming a bearish breakout candle, bearish engulfing candle on the next day, where you can see the price continue to lose its value all the way to the first support level 1.16735. After that, the price retraced back up and on a Friday could not manage to return to the first resistance level. It has stopped just in between this resistance and the support level. On the weekly time frame, we can see it is indecision candle, candle with a wick on the upper side, wick on the lower side, and a small candle body, similar like the week before. But what we can see here is the candle has closed the price above these two candles, three candles open and close, which is slightly a bullish overview for this week, and also a slightly bullish momentum, stronger than it is a selling bearish. And that is because we can see the wick on this candle is larger and on the higher price levels than these wicks on the candles before. On the monthly time frame, it is just middle of the month, so we need to wait for the next 2 weeks. But currently what we can see is the continuation of the previous month, which is a bullish month. We will see how the price will behave on this resistance level, which will be around 1.17852. Now on the daily time frame, we can see that 1.17589 is the resistance level that needs to be broken in order to allow the price to reach higher price levels. And that is something that we need to wait, because currently the price is still in the small bullish trend, but we can see the price is jumping up and down between this area of resistance here, a support here, and the resistance here. So we need to see how the price will behave. Will it manage to make a bullish breakout? But currently what I can see, I am more inclined to see the price reaching higher price levels, and that means for the next week I am expecting that the price will reach this area of resistance. And after that, we will see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. Will it make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, continue to rise in value, or it will return back down again, retracing back all the way to the support level, or at least for the small support level, which is right here. For now, wait for a clean breakout on the daily time frame, but we will see on the 4-hour time frame how the price behaves. Is there any bullish or bearish breakouts forming on the chart? And that is something I will share inside the premium analysis with the traders during the week, if there is any, especially on the 1-hour time frame, where most of these bullish and bearish breakouts are happening on the market. So feel free to check the link below in the description, join other traders for the premium analysis and receive these updates. For now, that's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.